Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to a new video on TechTube. In this video we're gonna take a look at how to change your language on Netflix. So stick with me till the end and let's jump right into it. From the home screen of your Netflix app, all you do is tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right of the screen, and then open up Manage Profiles. You won't see an option of changing the language on app settings, so you just tap on Manage Profiles and select the profile that you want to change the language of. And inside this option, you'll see Display Languages. You can just tap on it and choose the language that you want to change to. And if you head back, it's gonna ask you to reset your Netflix app in order to save the changes. So tap on Restart App. And once the app restarts, you can see the language has now been changed from English to Filipino because I chose Filipino on the settings. That's how easily you can change the language on your Netflix application. But this will be applied to your profile only. If you want it for other profiles also, you can follow the same process. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.